In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily replay disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Then just tap right here to head over to your Instagram profile. Tap Add Menu. And that's where we can easily find your activity. Once you get into your activity, you need to scroll down to the very bottom and tap Add Download Your Information. You will be taken to that page where you need to tap Add Download or Transfer Information, and also right here you can easily find all your past requests for all the accounts in your Meta Account Center, including Facebook and Instagram accounts. However, now we need to create a new request. To do that, I'm gonna tap Add Download or Transfer Information. Then you wanna select your Instagram account here and then hit next. On the next step, tap Add some of your information. In that list, select Messages and then hit next. Then I'm gonna choose Download to Device. Actually, I'm just gonna keep it selected and then hit next. And now we can choose for which date range we would like to download all of our messages. By default, it is selected to last year. However, to reduce the file size, we can select last month, or last week, last 3 months, or we even can select here all the time. Once you have selected date range, also, you can choose here media quality. It is set to medium right now. However, if you want to increase media quality, you can get into that option and set it to high. Once it is done, tap right here at Create Files, and then your request will be sent to Instagram. Now it says that currently my request is in progress, and once it is done I will get a notification on my email. Then we can go back to download your information right here, and then somewhere here we'll be able to find download button. Then we can tap on it, download this archive to our device. It will include all our messages data for the selected date range, and that will also include all of your photos and videos, including disappearing ones. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.